Hi, welcome to my channel. The foldable Pixel will undoubtedly look different from any of Google's past line of Pixel phones. But we don't expect too much to change feature-wise, except for the apparent enhancements enabled with extra screens. There will still be a front-facing and rear camera, speakers, Bluetooth, etc., like any modern-day phone. While the Pixel 6 doesn't have face unlock and favors instead a fingerprint scanner, it's still up in the air as to which will arrive on the Pixel Fold. Google doesn't need to make any significant changes to accommodate the tablet-sized screen, since it already develops the OS that runs on foldable devices from other companies. If anything, the Fold will support unique multitasking features that the competition and smaller screen Pixels don't currently have. However, depending on when it's released, the Fold will run the latest OS at the time, so likely Android 13 or 14. There could be some exciting ways Google deals with what happens when the phone folds with multiple screens. When watching a movie in tablet mode, closing it might, and probably should, automatically continue the video on the outside screen. By the way, if anyone new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Some rumors have suggested that we'll see 3 screens, like Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold2. Samsung's phone also has a 7.6 screen, meaning it could look a lot like that device from the outside. The Pixel 6 has a 50-megapixel rear camera, 48-megapixel telephoto camera, and 11.1-megapixel front-facing camera. It has storage 128 to 512 GB and 12 GB RAM. Along with it is equipped with proximity accelerometer, fingerprint, gyrometer, compass and barometer sensor. It supports GSM, HSPA, LTE and 5G network. So this the simple review of Google Pixel foldable smartphone. See you in next video. Thanks.